Title: How the Human Brain Thinks, a Simple Guide. 1. The brain's building blocks, neurons. The human brain is made of billions of tiny cells called neurons. Think of them as the brain's wires. Each neuron has a cell body, dendrites, which receive signals, and an axon, which sends signals. 2. How neurons talk, synapses and neurotransmitters. Neurons don't actually touch. They are separated by a tiny gap called a synapse. To send a message, one neuron releases chemical signals called neurotransmitters into this gap. The next neuron picks up these chemicals, which excites it and passes the message along. This all happens in a fraction of a second. 3. The process of thinking, neural pathways. A single thought is not in one neuron. A thought, a memory, or a feeling is a specific pattern of millions of neurons firing together. This pattern is called a neural pathway or a neural network. When you learn something new, you are creating a new pathway. When you practice that skill, like riding a bike or studying math, you make that pathway stronger, faster, and more efficient. This is why practice makes perfect. 4. Key brain regions for thinking. Different parts of the brain specialize in different jobs. Cerebral cortex. This is the big, wrinkly outer layer. It's responsible for all high-level thinking, problem-solving, language, and self-awareness. It's the thinking part of the brain. Limbic system. This is a set of structures deep inside the brain. Hippocampus. This is crucial for forming new memories. When you learn a new fact, the hippocampus is hard at work. Amygdala. This is the emotion center, responsible for feelings like fear, anger, and joy. It helps your brain decide what is important to pay attention to. 5. Putting it all together. A thought in action. Thinking is a constant, parallel process. 1. Input. Your senses, sight, sound, touch, send information to your brain. 2. Processing. Your brain instantly compares this new information to your past memories using the hippocampus and checks your emotional state using the amygdala. 3. Output. The cortex analyzes all this data, makes a decision, and creates an output, which could be a spoken word, a physical action, or just a new idea in your head. 6. Summary: neuroplasticity. The most amazing part of the brain is its ability to change. This is called neuroplasticity. The brain is not fixed. It constantly rewires itself based on your experiences, what you learn, and what you think about. Learning and thinking physically change the structure of your brain.